Alright, so here it is, my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $148.45 for the goods. All said and done, I had an overage money maker of $4.67. And as always, that breakdown includes the tax. I gotta keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. For the week of September 8th to September 14th, or September 7th to September 13th if you live up north or out of the state of Florida. So I live down on the southwest of Florida. So today's Thursday, the first day of the sale. I'm trying to do this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week, because some of these deals will go away. You know, there's an extra savings book coming out. Tomorrow's Friday, coming out Saturday, so hopefully I'll do a video on that. So you might have only 2 days to do some of these deals. And some of these deals I did before, I did them again. Also, you know, please hit the like button if you like these deals or you like this video, because I'm trying to build my channel up. And it's building up, it's going good. Thank you for everybody who's subscribed, and hopefully getting this information right off. So let's get right into the, gosh, let's see, 24 or so deals I did this week. Alright, let's start with the Vanity Fair napkins. These are not the best deals, but as I said, I'm trying to do a little more practical deals for you guys instead of all these money makers. And you know, I still had a money maker, but you know, there's a reason for that. Alright, Vanity Fair napkins keep going up in price. They were $2.99, now they're $3.29. So $3.29 this week. $3.29. So for two of them with the tax, $7.07. However, they're BOGO this week, and with their BOGO and you have a coupon, you're doing pretty good. So BOGO this week, they come to $3.54 for 2 packages, and there's a manufacturer printable coupon for $1.50 off of 2 packs. So you use that, the $3.54 minus $1.50 from the manufacturer printable coupon, costing you only $2.04 for both of those. And as always, I got the breakdown of all the deals. I got the breakdown below this video, as well as links to print the coupons. So you can print that coupon right there. I believe it's signing up. I got the details below. Alright, scrubbing bubbles. So these are regular price $2.49. So for 2 of them, factor the tax, comes to $5.35. However, they're BOGO, so $2.49 plus tax comes to $2.68. There's a Publix digital coupon for 50 cents off. And there's also an Ibotta rebate. Check your Ibotta, because I know this one's going away soon, so hopefully you get this information. You can do this deal. It's 50 cents off of each one. So I did it twice, because there's 2 items, so I took $1 off. So $2.68 spent, and 50 cents from the Publix digital coupon. $1 back from Ibotta, making it only $1.18 for both of those. Also, you know, if you're in half BOGO, you can probably just buy one of these, and hopefully you got that Publix digital coupon clipped. My advice, if you don't, I clip all my digital coupons. I clip all the Ibotta rebates, because as you know, sometimes things come off. So that's my tip. Clip all those Publix digital coupons. So if you're in half BOGO, gosh, it makes this only 38 cents for one of them. So 34 cents for one. But $1.18 for both of them. So good deal on those. Alright, the Airwick did this deal last week, and I did it again a little different this time. So the Airwick, it's just $1.99, $4.28 for both of them when you factor the tax. There's a Publix digital coupon, as I said, have them all clipped, because there's a Publix digital coupon, $3 off of 2, like maybe Airwick Mist or something like that. That comes off. So that took $3 off. And then Ibotta, the same thing. There's, you know, $1.50 off of each Airwick Mist or whatever. As I said, I got all the Ibotta ones clipped, so that came off again. So I did this one without the manufacturer coupons and still had $1.72 overage moneymaker. Oh man, the Alka Seltzer. I actually did this deal yesterday, but I'm including it in today's, because I could have done it today, but I did pick them up yesterday, and the regular prices are $4.49, so for 4 of them, $17.96. I did them last week, and they were $2.24 on clearance. This time, where are they? They rung up $1.43. Oh my gosh! So I was very happy when I saw that. So $1.43 times 4 came to $5.72. I use 4 of these store coupons that expire tomorrow that took $2 off of each bottle. And I used 4 of these manufacturer coupons from the Smart Source 821, I believe it is. That took another $6 off. So those 4 had an $8.29 overage. And yeah, I mean, if you're getting paid, buy the stuff. My advice, I think, you know, I'm getting $8.28 when I buy those. So, you know, I know someone will use those. Someone, you know, will need those in my family, whatever. So I got them. So delicious. $1.91 for this yogurt. There is a $1 manufacturer printable, and there is 50-cent a bottle rebate. So I did this deal again, 41 cents for that total. Oh, the light and fit. I do not have the light and fit on the table. Hold on. Magic. $1.50 for this light and fit, and this Publix digital coupon that takes $1.50 off. You know, when I'm making this breakdown, I put the stuff in the fridge, and I forgot to get that one off. So that one, that's a free one. You got that Publix digital coupon. Make sure you get the one that says light and fit, not Greek one. I'm not sure if that one works, but this one is the one you want. The zero sugar one is the one you want. All right, you buy Kotex. Oh man, the you buy Kotex liners. And this I did yesterday as well, but I'm adding it because I could have done it today. These are $1.29 each, and I was able to get 12 of them. So I got 12 of those at $1.29. They came to $15.48, and there is this store coupon that comes in the save. Came in the save of August 21st in the save, and it's $4 off of 2. So if you're lucky to get these and you're lucky to find these, as I said, I got as many as I could. I got 12 of those, and I got 2 of these. I'm gonna get into that deal, but as you can see, there they all are. And then you want to. I also did this deal is a little different than last week. The You Buy Kotex Barely There liner, you're gonna win on these, and any of these, the You Buy Kotex 12 count pads, or there's also the 14 count, and there's also the 24 count pads that are all on sale, marked from $3.79 down to $2.79 is the price. So for these guys, well, let's get to these. So for 12 of these, which I bought, so I bought 12 of them, and came to, as I said, $15 and oh gosh, whatever I just said, $15.48, and I was able to use 6 of these. That came to $24 off of $15.48. Made that at $8.52 overage. So I'm using these big overages to help me pay for everything else, is what I'm saying here. So you buy Kotex Barely There liners. These are regular $3.79. So for 2 of them, you're looking at $6.58, $7.58. And they're on sale for $2.79 each, and there is a manufacturer coupon, $1.30 off of 2. Any 2 Kotex you back to it. Not bad on the liners. 14 to 22 count. There's a 50 count liners, and as well I stacked the Publix coupon with that as well. So you're looking at those 2 only cost me 28 cents. Some people have $1.25 off of one, so I got the link to print that below. Check your You Buy Kotex when you sign up. They can either shoot you this one or maybe $1.25 off one, so you'll probably do better than me on those. As well, this is the same kind of deal, same thing. These are regularly $3.79, so for 2 of them, come to $7.58, and stack that and that's $4 off. That's $1.30 off. As I said, they're on sale for $2.79, so you're paying $5.58 for 2 of them. Stack that for 4, stack that for $1.30. That's $5.30 to the good, only costing you 28 cents for both of those. All right, Centrum Silver, another deal here. These are regularly, they were $9.59 last week. They're up to $9.99 now, so everything's going up. There's a $4 off coupon from the Extra Savings book, so use that. It expires tomorrow, so get on that. $3 a bottle rebate that came back, so that took $3 off, and then there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, making that only 99 cents. And once again, I was working up to something. I was going for the Chili's Maggiano is on the board. You know, when you spend over $50 worth of groceries, you get this $50 gift card for $10 off, so for $40. So that helped me get $10 more off my total. BandAid gauze, same kind of thing. Oh, of course I don't have the coupons on the table, but I did this deal last time. $3 store coupon and a $2 off a 2 manufacturer coupon makes that a 72-cent overage right there. These are $2.14 each, so for $4.28, $5 for the coupon, 72-cent overage. As I said, Royal Rice, where are you at? I got 2 of these last time. This time I got 1 of them. They're regularly $2.19. They're on sale for 3 for 5, so $1.67 paid for that. Check your Ibotta. There's $1 off of select ones. This was one of them, the Mexican style corn. So that takes $1 off getting this pack for only 67 cents. So that's a good deal. All right, Tates. You know I always do my Tates deal, and it just got sweeter. So the tiny Tates are regularly $1.25. There's a Publix digital coupon for a free one, so I was happy to see that. So that was totally free, and as always, I have all my Ibotta rebates clipped. So that took $1 off. There's Ibotta for $1 off. So that made $1 moneymaker for that guy. All right, Shaka Tea. So the Shaka Tea is regular price is $2.49 plus tax $2.68, and you're looking at it's on sale 3 for 5, so you only pay $1.66 plus tax $1.78. $1 off Publix digital coupon, making that only 78 cents. Help me build up to my 50. Yes, as you know. All right, Rosarita beans. Oh, these are good too. These are regular $1.79. They're on sale for $1.25. Publix digital coupon for $1 off, making that only a quarter for that guy. All right, now don't get mad at me because you probably can't do this deal, unfortunately, but I'm going to give you a tip here. So this was a Daiya. Wow, Daiya. Plant-based, dairy-free New York cheesecake. It's cheese spelled with a Z. And there's a coupon for 1 free. And let me tell you where I got this. This was a couple days ago. I got the coupon. Since maybe COVID has kind of died down, they used to have this where you sample food. I think it was a Sunday, usually the best day, and they have a little booth set up with samples. Go over there and sample the food. Free food, of course. But also they always have coupons out, and in this case they had this coupon there, and I said, "Oh, you got a coupon there?" And she said, "Yeah, it's a buy one and get one." And I looked at it and I said, "Okay, 1 free." And I look on the back, manufacturer coupon, maximum value $10.99. So this is like $11 coupon here. I said, "Can I get another one of those?" So yeah. So when you see them sampling food or whatever, they usually have coupons. In this case, they had like an $11 coupon. Obviously, me being the couponer that I said, "Can I get another one of those?" So free cheesecake there. Basically, you probably don't really have access to this coupon. Maybe you saw it, maybe you got it. But my tip is, when they're sampling foods, go over there and get the food, and there's usually coupons out. So could get lucky there. So all right, Oxy Pads. Oxy Pads are $5.49 with tax. Come to $5.90. However, they're on sale, $2 off. So $3.49 with tax come to $3.75. There's a manufacturer coupon for $1 off. So print that out and take $1 off. Comes to only $2.75 for that. So $5.90 down to $2.75. It's a good deal. All right, Spice Island. So there's a bunch of these. I got cilantro. I know I could have just bought fresh cilantro for a quarter, but hey, it won't last as long as this stuff. And gotta love cilantro. So they start at $4.19. So these were $4.85. So for 2 of them, cost me $9.70. However, they're BOGO. So $4.85 paid. There is a manufacturer printable coupon for $1.50 off of 2. So you're gonna range, but these cost me $3.35 for both of them. So that's pretty good. All right, Arm & Hammer. Gotta get the baby detergent. The baby detergent, Arm & Hammer baby detergent is $7.19 each. So for 2 of them, factor the tax, you're looking at $15.46. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get 2 of them for $7.19 plus tax $7.73. So that's a good deal. And there is, so $7.73 paid for both of them. There is a peely. See, I peeled it right off of there. On the baby ones for $1 off. So use 2 of those peelies. Hopefully you can find them. And then Ibotta has $1.25 back on each one. So $7.53 paid, $2 off from the peelies, $2.50 back from Ibotta, making that only $3.23. And once again, was helping me reach my $50 threshold, so I can get $10 off my gift card there. All right, Munk pack, definitely not at every store, but these are $2.39. There is an Ibotta rebate for a free one, so clip that, makes that totally free. All right, always check the clearance rack. So Health Aid Pop. Regular price for these guys, they're not cheap. So regular price for these are $2.79 each. So for 2 of them, when you factor the tax, it comes to $6. However, as you can see, they knock them down half price on the clearance rack, so $1.39 for those. So for 2 of them with the tax, came to $2.99. There's an Ibotta rebate that takes $1 off of each can, making those 2 cans only 99 cents total, or 49 cents each. Flintstone Gummies. So these guys are regular $7.99. They're on sale for 20% off. That brought it down to $6.40. There's a Publix digital coupon for $3 off. Hopefully you have it. If you follow my channel, you've clipped these all like a month ago, and it's still on there. And then coupons.com also has $3 back. So use your best interest if you want to do that. And it came to only 40 cents for that Flintstone Gummies. All right, the most practical deal you can get. The King's Hawaiian slider buns. So these are $4.99. So for 2 of them, $9.98. So you have to. This is kind of a combo deal. You also have to get a half pound of Publix deli meat, and my son likes a Lebanon bologna, so I got him a half pound of Lebanon bologna. There's obviously ones that are way cheaper than that. So what I'm getting at, these are $4.99 for they're BOGO. So $4.99, you get 2 packs for $4.99, and then I got a half pound of Lebanon bologna for $5.09. And there's a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off of your bologna or your King Hawaiian slider buns. So that brought it down, and there is also an Ibotta rebate on 10 cents on overage. I know there's also peelies, I heard, for these for $1 off. So if you can find those, you're really going to do better than me. But I paid $7.98 for those, and once again, I had that $10 off. Let's see, a lot of digitals here. Flintstone Digital, Airwick, King's Hawaiian, Tates, Rosarita, and there it is, the $10 off Publix digital coupon that came off. So making my $148, about $150 here worth of goods, and had an overage money maker of around $5, $4.67. Once again, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other paid to shop videos. So, gosh, I think this makes 2 years I've been posting a video, and every week I've had a moneymaker. So, trying to do more practical deals instead of just moneymakers all the time. So, well, everybody enjoy their couponing. Hopefully, I'll be around. I'm gonna do a video on the extra savings book that's coming out. All right.